बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। Bahria College's PNAT revision of first term class 4 social studies. Students, today we will revise chapter number 1, the universe and the solar system. The universe consists of billions of galaxies and a lot of empty space. No one knows how big the universe is. One of these billions of galaxies in the universe is our galaxy called the Milky Way. What is galaxy? Students, a galaxy is a large system of stars, gases and dust. Galaxies have a variety of shapes. And the sun and group of stars make a Milky Way. The solar system. Our solar system contains the sun, 8 planets, many moons, asteroids and meteoroids. In this picture, this is the picture of solar system. In this picture, you can see very well the sun is in the center. It is situated at the center of the solar system and all the planets revolve around the sun in their own orbits while rotating on their own axis. The sun. The sun is a big star. It is situated at the center of the solar system. Sun is responsible for providing heat and light to all 8 planets. It is over 1,000 times larger than Earth. It is situated at a distance of approximately 150 million kilometers from the Earth. The moon. A moon is a smaller body found with a planet. It is a satellite. Many planets in the solar system have their own moon. Some planets have over 60 moons, while some have none. None means some have no moons. Okay? The Earth. The Earth is a place where we live. You know, all of you very well about the Earth. Earth is also a planet, but Earth is a third planet from the Sun in the solar system. Earth revolves around the Sun and takes one whole year to complete one circle. And revolves, thus Earth gives us seasons during the year. Earth also rotates on its own axis. It completes one rotation in 24 hours, which gives us day and night. The planets. There are 8 planets in the solar system, and all the planets revolve around the sun in their own orbits while rotating on their own axis, depending on distance from the sun. Each planet takes its own time to revolve around the sun. In this picture, again, you can see all the planets in the solar system and the sun is situated in the center. The stars. A star is huge ball of glowing gases which give us heat and light. The Milky Way has billions of stars. Only a little over 25,000 stars are visible from the Earth. Students, this is the first man or first astronaut that landed on the moon in 1969. His name is Neil Armstrong. And this is the first aircraft which landed on the moon in 1969. The name is Apollo 11. Apollo 11. All of you learn it very carefully. After the revision of this lesson, students, you learn all works which have done in your books, in your copy. Okay, learn very well with spelling and read lesson thoroughly line by line. Is it clear to all of you? I hope you all are understand this chapter very well. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.